So this is my review for Pop-On Veneers. I've had them for 2 or 3 weeks now, getting used to them. I was born with a hereditary condition called dentinogenesis imperfecta. You can see my teeth are kind of gray. Recently had to have one pulled. A couple of them are chipped. So regular veneers was not an option for me. It was way too expensive. I saw this ad for Pop-On Veneers and thought, I can do that. So I ordered. Came with all the kit that I needed to get the impressions. It's a little bit of work, but well worth it. The veneers came with a handy little case for carrying and storing. So you can see I just got the tops because no one really sees my bottom teeth anyway. You can hear they pop right in. Now I can smile with confidence, which I could never do before. And I'm going to look just like everybody else in family photos. Finally, I can smile. And I love these. These have been great. Very easy to put in, take out. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers.